welcome back to another vlog. It's been a while, I know. I think it would have been like 6 months since I uploaded a video. Recently got engaged, had a baby. Well, my fiance had a baby, not me. But you know, I thought it would be cool if we take like a family vacation, just get out the house for once. We've been stuck inside the house, just back and forth with the baby, you know. It's the baby's first time. It's our first trip. We're gonna start the video off in a hotel, so check it out. Here's our hotel in Hawaii. This is Myra and a baby relaxing on a bed. This is our balcony. This is the view that we have. You can see the ocean to the right. Soraya. This is Soraya's first time in the ocean. She had so much fun. And here's her swimming away.
I don't know, my sister says she's coming this way.
What's up? What's your name?
A milk of magnesia. After the devil made you, he broke the mold.
How's Hawaii so far?
Nice.
How's the flight coming in with the baby?
Not bad.
Yeah.
She didn't cry.
Do you feel jet lag?
Yeah, I'm tired. You see my eye bags? I need a nap.
There you go. That's a good angle on you right here. What do you think?
It's cool. You see it?
We are currently day 3 in Hawaii. I think today we would go for like a little hike, have some dinner, drinks, and yeah, pretty much gonna hang out and stuff. Right now Myra's getting ready. I'm gonna get the baby ready.
Pull them down.
It's all uphill from here. How far is the hike?
Up there?
Up there.
With succulent flavors. Our kauimo along with our main course in this traditional ancient Hawaiian way. Ladies and gentlemen.